Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel AS Automation. This is a very first video is in a brand or new series where we explore how to use Studio 5000 alongside Factory Talk View Studio together. If you are not familiar the basic either Studio 5000 or Factory Talk View Studio, don't worry, I already uploaded video for the beginner. Friendly videos on those. You will find the links in description below. So in this series I will cover all core question automation engineers usually face working with SCADA PLC integration, and every topic will be tied this Factory Talk Studio migration with Studio 5000 on way. So let's see, before I uploaded video on Studio 5000 basics, Studio 5 Factory Talk Studio basics, all type of animations, all type of buttons, software introduction, anything you can go on my YouTube channel and you can watch them. So let's get started. So first open your software, Studio 5000 Logix Designer. Double click on it. So software interface look like this. So here you can see Studio 5000 and downside you can see it's blur, but downside is here FT means Factory Talk by Rockwell Automation, means Factory Talk Studio SCADA software developed by Rockwell Automation, and Studio 5000 Factory Talk View both is, you can say, both software is migrate internally. You can see externally both software, there is two software, but if you understand, if you will study on it and if you will give more time, so you will understand, yes, yeah, yes, both software is internally connected, externally is two but internally is connected. So that's the reason here they are mentioned Factory Talk Studio by Rockwell Automation. So here you can see create, open and explore. What it is in create? In create you can see new project. From import you can import project from file, and you can see from sample project. Whenever you will install Studio 5000, so you will get some sample project by Rockwell after installation. Open, in open you can see existing project. If you develop some project you can see existing project, and you can, here you can see Factory Talk View. Directly you can open Factory Talk View existing project, either you can directly open file projects. And the next is sample project, same thing, sample project, from sample and sample project. From upload you can directly upload. If your laptop, if your PC is connected to the PLC, so you can upload this, you can upload program, but IP address should be matched between PLC and PC both. It's totally different topic. So Lexis help, you can whatever you want, you can go help and you can search it and read it. It's very helpful. I'm also learn many things from the helps. Now I'm also learning with the help of help. Let's see how to create a new project. So click on new projects and let's get started. So here when you will click on new project, one pop-up will appear. Inside of pop-up you can see CompactLogix PLC. Here is many type of PLC. So you can see CompactLogix PLC, it's safety PLC. So safety PLC using by safety PLCs using by oil and gas industries, refinery industries, or other safety industries, like other safety industries. Oil and gas is most critical industry, so most of the times oil and gas, these PLCs are using. And compact guard logic, I not use compact guard logic, but it's uh, greatest version of guard logics, 5370 and 5380. It greater upgrade version. CompactLogix, it's very common and easy PLC and very small PLC. CompactLogix 5373 5370. In CompactLogix there is three types of PLC: L1 series, L2 series and L3 series. You can see here L1 in L1 series many type of PLC L16, L18, L18 ER BB1B, L19 ER BB1B, L2 means L2 series, L24 ERB QB1B, L24 ER and 27 30, L3 series 30 ER, L33 L30 ER, L30 ERM, L30 ER ENS NSE, 33 ERM, 37 38 ERM, many types of. So then CompactLogix 5380. In 5380 means, you understand, Compact Guard Logix and Compact Guard Logix Advanced. Same CompactLogix 5370 and CompactLogix Advanced 5380. It's advanced version. Same ControlLogix 5570 and sorry, compact CompactLogix 5480. You understand CompactLogix 5380 and CompactLogix 5480. Same in advance. Same in ControlLogix 5570 and ControlLogix 5580. So it's CompactLogix and ControlLogix. Then in the last you can see emulate controller, means if you don't have any PLC, means if you don't have actual hardware, then how you can learn, how you can program, how you can think more without, because you don't have any PLC. So what you have to do, you can easily use simulator. If you don't know about, so in previously I already uploaded introduction on simulator, so you can watch those videos. And then Studio 5000 Logix Simulate, you can select directly Studio 5000 Logix Simulate. So click on it, because I also don't have any other hardware, so click on it. Studio 5000 Logix Simulate is 5570 5868. When you will open Studio 5000 Logix Simulate, so you can see 5868. So here you can write YT, logic for YT, logic YT, sorry, Studio YT, YT FT. Studio 5000 YT means YouTube, FT means FactoryTalk Studio. So let's see next. Your location, where you want, you can save location, either D drive, C drive, desktop, and any external pen drive, or maybe in your phone also you can connect your phone. Next is click on next. Here you can see version of your software, what is the which version you are using inside of PC, what is the version of software. Version is 35. If you are using version 24, version 30, version 33, version 35, so you can see here version 30, 24, 30, 33, 35 both, and you can select between all four versions, any versions you can select. But I have only version 35, that's the reason here only showing version 35. Next is slot number changes, you can select slot number changes, means changes of Studio 5000 Logix Simulate. Changes of Studio 5000 Logix Simulate also, whenever you will use hardware, so hardware changes limitation ControlLogix also 10 changes is maximum limitation, sorry, maximum limitation 17 changes. You can use 4, 7, 10, 13, 17. So now don't want to 10, so you can change changes here. Slot number, in which slot you have to install, you can install slot number 0, slot number 1, slot number 2, slot number 3, and 0 to 6. So okay, slot number 0 is okay, no production. Whenever you will select FactoryTalk security laptop is my HP laptop, that's the reason here showing laptop. Whenever you will select, so your program will protect from your laptop, anyone cannot open this program, in program will not open to another laptop. Next is use only selected authentication and authentication, means or authorization, only authorization person can use. and here logic name, controller, permission, whenever you will select, so these options will come. No production, here you can write any description, like example 5000, studio 5000, studio 5000, what you can write, studio 5000 and studio 5000 with ft view studio. Okay, whatever you want you can write in description box, no matter, don't worry. So click on finish. So you selected PLC, what you done, you selected a PLC, you assign a name, and now it's going to open a project. Will say take time. So now it's opening. So until is not open, till now you have to wait it. After open you can after open it, what you can do, you can easily do program. So in this lecture I will only discuss about how you can select hardware. So next is you can see interface of studio 5000s. Already I discuss all tools and everything. So now how you can select DI card, DO card, AI card, AO card. In step number 1, your project is created. In step number 2, you selected a hardware, it means PLC. In step number 3, what you have to do, you can select a communication, you want to say, you have to select a communication card. So click on, right click on PLC. Here you can see controller tag, controller fault handler, power up handler, main task, main program, assets, and more things. So one by one, when you will learn basics, one by one I will explain everything on studio studio 5000. You can do one project on with using studio 5000 and FactoryTalk B Studio. But you have to understand basics studio 5000s and FactoryTalk B Studio, then you can combine very easily both, and then you can develop project, any types of project, no matter in which industry you are working, either you are going to start your career in any industry. So now click on module. So it's open. So example, you want only communication card. So what you can do, you can select module type catalog filter. You can select here all filters, and you can select communication. So communication card will open communication all filters. You can select here 1756 AEN2TR. EN2TR. It's communication card. EN2TR is a communication card. It look like a big communication card. You can use any other communication card, but I'm using for, you can use any other communication card, no problem, don't worry. And you can see its categories. Communication means you can communicate in hardware, this is a hardware, you can communicate with PLC with this hardware for add a extra IOs. Either whenever you will use ControlLogix PLC, this hardware should be used. Without this communication card you cannot use ControlLogix PLC. Next module, discovery favorite. Example, you selected here favorite 1756 EN2TR. You need to select add to favorite. So you can see it's favorite, and whenever you want you can select, click on favorite, and directly you can click on create. So now it's going to create. So some basic setting pop-up will be appear. You need to bait it. So this is a module, new module. Here you can see new module, and parents is local. Device definition. Here you can give name. You can see here device type 1756 AEN2TR, type of the device 10 to 100 Mbps Ethernet bridge to port twisted pair media. Name you can write CM01. CM0 means communication card 1. Either you can write full form. Communication description you can write according to you. Example, IP address, you need to write IP address 192.168.0.10. IP address you can assign according to your requirement. If you working on project, so according to project, and if you learning only, you can select any IP address, no problem. Click on OK. Now you can see here it's look like this in hardware pictures. Revision 11 electronic key capability module, connection non, time synchronization, you can synchronize time online, but it's still not hard. It is still IP address is not assigned until and unless you will not assign from boot P. Boot P is a tool of Studio 5000. With the help of boot P, you can assign IP address. So device configuration, connection, and here you can see one very good things. Inhibit means you can inhibit your particular hardware if your hardware is not connected to, if this hardware is not in physically connected, you added in your software, but you need to inhibit until and unless you get a hardware and you install it. Example, you want to program it and you want to download this program on actual PLC, but this with actual PLC you have to use, you want to use communication card but you don't have, so you can click on inhibit. After that, whenever PLC will come, you can deselect inhibit option and you can use. Again you can see what is next is major fault on connection if connection fail while run mode. So example, in the run mode, connection is fail, so PLC major fault will come inside of PLCs or inside of project. Internet protocol, the sending and receiving data is called protocol. So it's protocol, different topic, configuration, network, and time synchronization, nothing. So click on OK. Your communication card has been selected. So what you need to do, right click, and again you can see here cut, copy, paste, delete, cross reference, launch RS works, audit networks, and export modules. Property you can check here, property, right? All right, right click and click on new module. So you need to connect, you need to add another communication card. That communication card will communicate this communication AEN2TR. So next is which communication card you need to select. You can select 1794 category. Which category you can select? 1794. But please remember, now Rockwell is absoluted 1794 series and they are make 5094 PLC, 5094 communication card and also 5094 flex IO. In Rockwell they are using two types of IO. So I will discuss about later. Click on communication card. You can add 1794 AENT or AENTR. There is a two types of communication card. Click on communication card. Example, AENTR. And here is a pop-up. You can see all property of communication card. Here 192.1794 AENT, 1794 AENT, 1794 10-100 Mbps per 100 Mbps means megabyte per second, Ethernet adapter to state pair media, and Rockwell Automation vendor parents is communication means this is a parents which you are selected first, this is a communication parents of this communication card. Then write CM CM IOCM because it's you will connect you are going to connect after communication card to IO. So all IO means input output will connect this, all input output will be send a signal to particular communication card. So all input output will be select, all input output will send a signal from field to this particular communication card 1794 AENT. You need to write underscore always IOCM. IP address you can same, you can write anything whatever you want for learning time, not project time. In project time you need to write IP address according to project whatever mentioned in the project or in document. I don't know, 192.168.0.11, previous was 10. Here description you can write revision 4.0, previous was 11. And electronically capable module rack optimization means you can reuse only 8 input output with particular communication card. Next, connection inhibit, same inhibit module measure fault on controller if connection fail while in run mode. If it is in run mode, connection will fail. So PLC module will be sent to PLC a fault signal. Next is module information. You can example any fault is come, you can directly right click and click on module information. You can see module revision, and here you can see major fault, minor fault, initial state, what is the state of module, and initial modules, any production of modules. You can see any information of the module related to module. You can see any information related to the module. Internet protocol you can use after whenever this hardware is connected to the physically, on that time this internet protocol you can use. Port configuration, it's all about to port, interface counter and media counter. Click on OK and close. So here you can see it's flex bus, means flex type of IO you can use. So let's see how to use, how you can connect. Step number 3, step number 4 is completed. Step number 1, you are created a project. In step number 2, you are added a emulator. Step number 3, you are created a communication card, added a communication card. Step number 4, you added a IO communication card. In step number 5, you are going to add new module. New module, click on new module. How you can add input output card, and what is the input output? Right click and click on new module. Pop-up is came, but here is one thing, filter is showing. So what you can do, you can clear filter and click on digital. Here you can write 1794. When you will write 1794, here all IOs is showing regarding related to 1794 category. In 1794 there is a 4 type of IO, so 3 type of uh, at 3 type of input card. IB you can use either IB8, IB16 and IB32. Example, you selected IB32. Okay, you can use IB32 directly, but always remember it's you are going to use sync or source, but many 90% digital input card industry using sync type, not source type. Either anyone can use sync or source. Click on, and I'm also used in my previous sync more type of, I am also used sync type. Click on create. So again new pop-up will come, and here you can see vendor same 1794 type 1794 IB32 .io 24 volt DC sync type and vendor is Rockwell Automation, Allen-Bradley. Rockwell Automation is company, but vendor or Allen-Bradley, why they are rated? What is the reason? Why they are rated Allen-Bradley? Because of Allen-Bradley is they are Allen-Bradley is manufacturing input output means Allen-Bradley is manufacturer company of Rockwell Automation. Here you can write DI underscore 01 and it's going to slot number 0. It's okay. Connection you can use packet interval connection RIP in inhibit mode, and same setting you can use measure fault on controller if connection fail while in run mode, and use this information and points, how many points you are going to click on. Okay, so once you connect you added, so all right, once you added one card, if you want to use three times, or you example you have to four card in hardware, otherwise no problem, you don't have any hardware, so you if you have three card, so what you can do, you can directly copy here and you can paste to easily, right click and paste it, automatically will take di2, another di3. So you added three type of dis. Next you have do, two do, so right click on module, same thing, you have to select do. So module type category, click on filter, click on digital. Here you can select OE is IB, OB is digital output card. You can select either you can use either 8 point means 8 channel, or 16 point means 16 channel. Source type of output either 32 point 32 32 32 32 32p. It's not coming 32 OB32, it's coming OB32p. Then you can select, for example you selected OB16 OB32p, and because if you want more input output, then you can use it. Click on a create. You can see journal is same. So what you can write here, do 01. By default is going to slot number 3. You can change slot number, but no need to change here. And other connection and module information and points is same. So I'm not going to explain. Also you can change from here, and then you can click on, you can change series. Example in the field different type of series or different revision, but only one revision here. And always electronic some capable module, it should be enabled, and data output should be enabled connection. Click on so what you can do, example all setting is done, all setting is done, then you can click on OK. Now you have two digital output cards, so you can copy once and you can paste again for digital output. So you added digital output, digital input, digital output, and you have one analog input and one analog output. So what you can do is simply you can select right click communication card, click on module, add a new module, same window will appear, and module type category filter, select on it. Then you can select analog because you are going to add analog. So in analog IE4 and IE12 you can use. So IE12 example, IE12 and IE8, you can see IE8 IE12. Most of the times I was used in both IE8 and 12, both current and DC, current and DC. It's coming based on what which type of analog input card is, you can use which type of sensor you are using in the field. If you are going to do program, or example you are going to do a project, so according to project you can select, but for learning purpose you can select any analog input, no problem. example. So 1794 IE12, click on create. After that, simple same pop-up is came. So you can write AI and log input dash 01. You can see here all is same, but always remember series module definition. You have to check it. It should be matched with actual hardware if you have hardware. And connection, here is a one good things you can choose. For example, you have a two temperature transmitter, and from temperature transmitter you will receive 4 to 20 milliampere signal, and you have two pressure transmitter. From pressure transmitter is you will receive 0 to 10 volt. So you can select 4 to 20 milliampere, 1 2 to 4 to 20 milliampere, 3 4 to 20 milliampere, and 4 4 to 20 milliampere. So 0 1 2 3 4 5. But in actual 0 1 you can select only 0 1 at a one time, 0 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 9 and 10 11 at a one time. Click on OK. So it's added. So example, you have two, so right click simply, right click and click on paste. So analog input is also added. So once only pending, you don't have, you have only all is you added. You what you have to do next, you have one analog output also. So right click on new module, simple module type category, click on filter, click on analog, and here you can see OE, you can write OE12. You can select analog output card. You can send signal from analog output card in raw value formats. I will discuss about in later. So in journal, and in journal you can write analog output dash 01 1. By default is taking slot number 4 because slot number 4 is the last of particular communication module. And simple module connection 4 to 20 milliampere, same you can choose 4 to 20 milliampere, either 0 to 10 volt. You can send a signal from PLC, means from this card 4 to 20 milliampere, either 0 to 10 volt between raw value. You have to send a raw value and PLC will receive 4 to 20 milliampere. Click on OK. So now this called IO tree. This is IO configuration is called IO tree. So you are created IO tree, means IO tree is created. So I think you learn from this video. So in my coming videos, all video will come on Studio 5000 and FactoryTalk Studio between both combined video. And if you have any, if you have any questions, so you can comment in comment box, and or if you have any doubt, then also you can comment in comment box. If you want to any particular topic video, so also you can comment in comment box. I will try to create a video.